In this short video, we're going to install WSL and Docker on Windows. That way we can containerize applications and run development environments without impacting our primary operating system. These steps work on Windows 11 and Windows 10 as long as you have build 19041 or higher. You can check your version of Windows 10 by right-clicking the Start menu and selecting System, and scroll down to see Windows Specifications. Under Windows Specifications, you can see Build OS. If you are not running build 19041 or higher, be sure to update your system before continuing. The next thing we need to do is make sure that we have virtualization enabled, and you can do that from the Task Manager in Windows 10 and Windows 11 both. Click on the Performance tab, and that will show that virtualization is enabled. If virtualization is not enabled, look up your processor online to ensure that virtualization is an option. If it is, you just need to go into the BIOS settings for your computer during boot up and enable virtualization. Since everyone is on a different computer, there is no possible way for me to show how to do that in this tutorial. That does it for prereqs. Now we can move on to installing WSL. The great thing about Windows 10 and 11 is that WSL can now be installed with one command. Let's open PowerShell as administrator, allow it to make changes. Now we can install WSL just by running WSL --install. On my system, WSL is already installed. If you do not already have it, this will install WSL for you. You can choose a version of Linux with WSL-install-D and then choose your distribution from the name list. However, we don't need that to continue with our Docker installation. Now that we have WSL, we're ready to install Docker. Head to docs.docker.com/getdocker and choose Docker Desktop for Windows. Once the download completes, run the installer and follow the instructions on the screen. To complete the installation, you need to log out and back in. Now that we've logged back in, be sure to review the license agreement and click Accept. Once Docker finishes initializing, go back to a PowerShell terminal and run docker run hello world to confirm that Docker is running. After it pulls the latest image, it will run and you will see hello from Docker. This means that your installation is running. With that, we have successfully installed WSL and Docker on Windows. Be sure to like and subscribe and consider becoming a member for more content. Thanks for watching.